The battered Bruce.
He go, brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's
Unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air.
Through 14, 2 laps to go with this extraordinary Grand Prix of Argentina. They race up to turn 1. Here comes Rossi.
Marquez holds the lead going through the first corner. Valentino Rossi hugging his back wheel. Rossi so quick through this first sector. Will he have a look on the inside at turn 2? Rossi moves to the inside. Rossi's going to take the lead. Rossi up the inside of Marquez. Runs it a little bit wide. Marquez back through at turn 2.
We knew he wouldn't. 3 against 46. Rossi on the brakes.
Rossi up the inside. Marquez has a bit of a moment on the brakes going into turn 5. Rossi leads contact there between Marquez and Rossi. Oh, Marquez is down!